Hey, what's up guys? So for the past few days, I've been having trouble using my FireStick Remote to control the volume on my TV. Uh, that's I have that version. It's the 4K with the Alexa, the newest version. I got this about 2-3 weeks ago. Was working perfectly fine for the first couple days, and it suddenly stopped. The volume buttons, the up and down and mute button, they all stopped working. And I was watching and doing research on videos for the past couple days online, and I really couldn't find anything that helped. I tried every single video, I tried every single blog, and really none of these worked. Just to let you know, before you go any further, try, and that's what worked for me. What I did was just take the batteries out of my remote and wait for like 10 seconds and put them back in, and that what worked for me after I tried everything. So before you go any further, just take the batteries out of your remote, wait 10 seconds, put them back on, and see if that works for you. If it doesn't, okay, from the main menu here, from the home menu, we'll go to settings. You go down, equipment control, and you're gonna go down to manage equipment, and you go down to TV, and you go down to change TV. When you click on that, as you can see, it says guided setup will take 5 to 10 minutes. You go up, change TV. Okay, it says that it detects Samsung TV. Yes, I have a Samsung TV. So you can say yes. If you say no, it will take you to the list of TVs. You can select your TV from there. Okay, and you hit OK, and basically it reinstalls your TV IR frequency, I would say. Also, you should go into advanced settings, and you go home button, and make sure it's an IR and HDMI. Okay, if you go back, also if you have this kind of remote, all you can do, just point the remote at the TV, hold the home button for like 10 seconds or so. You hold it down while pointing at the TV. And it's gonna start flashing. Just let it does what it have to do. You're gonna have this on the screen. The remote will flash for a while, and when it's done, it will stop blinking. And now it's done. Stop blinking. And if you go back here to my Fire TV, after you do all of that, you can just restart. And after you do the restart, hopefully your volume will be working then. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it worked for you. Take care.